Hello friends, in this lesson we'll have a quick look at the layer styles. A layer style is a way in which Photoshop allows us to do a lot of simple and common things to enhance our document. These are the effects like drop shadows, bevels, glows, etc. Open this file, the lecture 14a.psd. Let's select a layer to which we want to apply a layer style. Let's try to give some drop shadow and bevel and emboss to this logo. Select the logo layer and click on this FX icon here to access the layer styles. You can select any of these options to open the palette. Now I don't want the inner shadow, I'll click it off. I want a drop shadow. Now I've clicked the drop shadow on, but to make the changes to the drop shadow I need to select it. Once selected, you can see there are many options. If I go to my canvas and move the drop shadow, you can see in the palette the angle and the distance both change. This is a good way to change both of them simultaneously, but if you want, you can change them separately, like you can change the angle or you can change the distance. I like to change both of them simultaneously to get the desired effect. Now this size and spread also you can adjust. If you increase the size, the shadow becomes a blurred. If you decrease the size, it is a bit crisp. So I'll keep it a bit crisp. Spread will give some thickness to our shadow. Click OK and the effect is applied to our image. Now our layer has this FX icon just beside it, which means it has some layer style added to it. To add another layer style, just double click it and the palette opens again. Let's give it some bevel and emboss. Now there are a lot of options for bevel, like inner bevel, outer bevel, emboss and many more. You can try all of them. We have a live preview here, whatever we select. Now the technique also can be smooth, chisel hard or chisel soft, whatever you like. I like it to keep it smooth. Direction, the direction of the bevel. To see the effect of the bevel, let's give it a color. Go to color overlay and give it a nice color. I'll give it a golden kind of color. Okay. Now it looks much better. We can also turn on and off any layer style. Like if I turn it off, it's off. Any of these you can turn on and off, or as a whole you can turn it on and off. This is a non-destructive method of giving some effect to enhance our image. Cool. Now what if I want to give this text also the same effect? It will be a pain to again go to this FX palette and apply the same effects. So what we can do is, we can copy this layer style and paste it on this layer. Select this layer, right click, copy layer style, go to this layer, right click and paste layer style. We have pasted the same layer style. Now this layer has independent layer style. We can modify these layer styles according to our preferences. I think the distance of the drop shadow is too much on this layer. Let's modify it. We'll go to drop shadow and reduce the distance. Click OK. Cool. So the layer styles come really handy to polish our creations and add effects to our document. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.